everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. You guys, I am here today with something that I got from Amazon. This is the product that I have here to unbox. And I'm going to link it down below, okay? Again, this is from Amazon and it's hairdressing scissors or shears, okay? It says that it says hair cutting scissors, shears kit, home salon barber cutting kit. So let's see what comes in here, because I think, as you can see, sorry, I just got out of the shower. My hair is long and I really want to cut it a little bit. So I want to see, I'm overdue for a visit to my hair salon. But my hairdresser, she had a baby and her schedule is limited and I really need to cut it a little bit. So we'll see how this goes. Look, this is all it's in here. There are some pins for your hair, you know, you can hold your hair. There is a comb in here, a plastic one. I think this scissor here is the one that you use to cut in between your hair, you know, to like reduce the volume of your hair. This one. This is a thinner scissor. That's what I think it's called. And the one that you use to cut is this one here. This one. Just a regular one. And it comes with this piece of like soft material that I don't know what that's for. And it also has this thing here. I'm gonna have to check the website actually to see the technical terms. Probably I should have done that before. So this is the scissor. See, it says, you can see right there, you can see my ring light in the back. I decided that I wanted to bring it in, so I already brushed my hair. See how long it is? And I really don't know how to cut hairs, you guys. I've never done this before. Well, I've done it once, but I really don't know professionally how to do this. So I think I'm just going to grab a few of, you know, a piece. I want to remove about that, like what, 3 inches? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some of my hair and just cut it. And I'm gonna cut it down like this in diagonal, I think. Because I actually like my hair in like, I don't like it straight. I like it in like a point kind of style because I have too much hair and if I cut it straight, then it's, you know, I get too much volume. So this is what I cut here. So let me look in the mirror here just to try to do it. You know what? It cuts like butter. I cut the other one too short, so they don't match. I think they're about right. My hairdresser, she usually does this. She holds them like this to see if they match or not. But you know, this is really good actually. So now I'm gonna cut some more And then when I'm finished, I'm going to do a video, a close-up of the stuff that it came in the package, okay? So I will let you know in a minute. Thank you. And don't forget to check the link below. Alrighty, guys. I'll be back. Hi, everybody. This is Kathy again. You guys, I just cut my hair. I just finished cutting my hair. So I am here to show you up close the stuff that came in the box for the unboxing. So again, it says hair cutting scissors and shears, home salon barber and cutting kit. I'm gonna link this down below. This is from Amazon. It's an Amazon product, okay? And they come in black and in silver. I have the black one. This is the brand, and this is like a faux leather type material. And it comes here with it has a zipper, and their scissors, they come in a pouch separate, you know, and you can put them here. And I was looking at the website, the detail. So this one is the hair cutting scissor. This is the one I used. It's really light, it's not heavy at all, and it cuts like butter, like I said. It cuts super easily my hair. It wasn't hard at all to cut it, but I have to be honest and say that I have no idea on how to cut hair. This is pandemic times. You guys know that this is a difficult time for all of us. So it comes for, you know, different type of measures. So you have to do your own hair now at home. And this is the thinning scissor, you know, for people like me that have a lot of hair and you need to get rid of some and get some of the volume out of your hair, of your head, you use this. This is the thinning scissor. Okay, so it doesn't cut all of it. It just cuts some of your hair. I did not use it this time though, but that's what you can use this for. And this is a cleaning cloth. This is for you to clean your scissors. And then it comes with this comb, and I did not use it because I had already brushed out my hair because I was just out of the shower. These are some pins. It comes with 2 pins that you can use to hold your hair back when you're cutting it. And it had a little round thing that I don't know where I left it. It's here. And this is for you to adjust your scissors, okay? So it's like a tool thing. And this, I guess, you put it here. See those? It's like a screw over here. So you have to find the one that fits your thing, and you can adjust it. So that's what this is for, to adjust your scissors with that. That's your tool. So that's what you get in the package, and it's really an affordable price. So I'm going to link it below for you to go check it out if you wanna, you know, if you have family members at home that need a haircut, or if you need a haircut, you know, just do it. Hair grows quickly, so it's not an issue. I took like 3 inches off of my hair and it looks okay, and I did it myself. So make sure you check this out. Go check out this Amazon store, and I'm gonna link it below for you guys, okay? And thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye now.